Hey everyone. It is kind of late right now. What time is it? It's almost 10. I just came home from our women's conference, which was awesome. It's called Flourish. And it is amazing every year. And so I have a super busy day tomorrow because I have clients in the morning, like 6, and then I have one at 7:45, and then I head right to Flourish. So I wanted to show you guys kind of packing a cooler 101. So if you work full-time, this is super critical, or if you have kids that are in sports and you're gone like on a Saturday, excuse me, and you need to have snacks with you. You know, it's all about planning. If you plan these things, then you guys will be successful. So, you know, we're on a cleanse right now, makes it even tougher sometimes to go out and find the things that you need. And since I'm going to be gone from like 5:40 in the morning, and I won't get back here until probably 2:30, I'm just going to put a bunch of snacks together. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, I have a pretty hefty cooler here that I'm going to bring, and I have some of those ice packs that I'm going to throw in there. I have some napkins and some silverware. We have a lot of throwaway silverware, so that's always good stuff to keep for things like this. My husband just made me some brown rice. So I took about a half a cup. I haven't had any brown rice since we started this, so I was kind of like craving it tonight. So I put, you know, just a little in the Tupperware bowl here. So it's really good if you guys get yourself some Pyrex dishes, or those are my favorite. I do have these little ones that are, they're Rubbermaid. So you don't usually want to put things in the microwave that have that are plastic unless they're BPA free. So you just want to make sure you check that. But I can eat stuff cold, so it doesn't really matter to me. So I'm gonna take some of the rice, and I'm gonna stick some vegetables in there from a stir fry that Philip made yesterday. So it has like some Brussels sprouts and asparagus and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna make a smoothie, and I'm gonna have a smoothie that I can drink on the way. Or in between my clients. So that way, a lot of times I'll make a double smoothie, and I'm able to have one for the morning and then one a couple hours later. So that's always a good thing to have. So I'm gonna make one probably tonight, because I'm not sure I wanna get up at 5 in the morning and run the blender. And then we have, I have just a little small salad, and I'm gonna put a little garlic, onion, salt, with the nutritional yeast, and I have the lime from this afternoon that I used, and I'm just going to use that as a dressing for tomorrow, and then throw some olives on there. So I'll have that, and then I'm going to bring a banana and an apple, so that's real filling, so I'm going to do that. And then in here I have some of those tomatoes. I'm going to cut them up, and I'm going to bring a knife, so we have to remember to put that in my bag, and then these super seed crackers. So I can kind of just put that together. So we have a little break over at the conference, and they give us a lunch, but because I'm on the cleanse, I know most likely it's going to have things that I'm not eating. So I need to make sure that I plan this, and honestly, guys, it is like almost 10 o'clock at night. Like, I've been up since I think 5, and I'm tired and everything, but I know how critical it is to plan, because if I would have left in the morning, then I'm at the mercy of trying to find a place to find some food. So you can do that. There's places out there that you can find healthy stuff, but I just know that's a long time to be away from home, like a 5 to 2:30. Or 5:30 to like 2:30. It's a lot of hours. So it's better to plan that way. It's more cost effective, and you guys already are set up for success because you know what you're going to have, and you don't have to be like, oh no, like they made me lunch at this place, and I guess I'll eat it because I don't want to be rude, or I'll eat it because there's nothing else for me to have, because there's not enough time maybe to run out. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what this looks like when you need to pack a cooler. So that's kind of your pack a cooler 101 real quick at 10 o'clock at night. I headed to bed. Hope you guys had a great day.